Frank here. Good grief. I'm so frustrated that I just missed an important meeting. I really need to know what they talked about. My gardener needs to contact a guy named Jeff to help train a pack of wolves for his next mission. There is also like a 72% chance some extreme weather will occur that it will need to overcome near San Francisco. I just hope this meeting I missed can be summarized quickly before my next one. Do you think there's a video for that? Maybe like an AI robot could do this. Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Abram Krebs. Today I'm going to show you how you can let AI summarize your meeting for you. Now, this is really great if you have a meeting maybe that you can't attend or that you weren't able to attend, but the meeting was recorded. So you can either record the meeting in advance or take a meeting that you need to be a participant in that's been recorded and summarize it real quick for yourself so you can see what did occur in that meeting. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go here to the web. And if this is a Teams meeting, the nice part is that you can go here and you can go ahead and click on this option here under transcript and captions, and you can choose the download option and you can download this as a document. And we're going to go ahead and bring up this document, and I'm going to select the entire document. I'm going to copy that document. Then I'm going to go here and we're going to go to Chat GPT. Now in Chat GPT, I can type in summarize this meeting. And what it's going to do, I'm going to hit Shift Enter and I'm going to paste in the entire meeting. Now, with that being pasted in there, I can now run Chat GPT and it's going to take all of the content that was in that meeting and it's going to go ahead and summarize that for me. And the great part about that is I don't have to spend however long that meeting was trying to figure out what happened. And I already have the meeting summarized. Now, if I go here, I can just read this real quick and see that it was a meeting about Winter Wonderland. I can see the scheduling coordination, task assignments, decoration planning, event preparation, to-do list, follow-up plan. And it does all of that just based on the transcripts from the actual video that's been recorded. And this is a great time saver for any of you that don't have enough time during the day, but you do need to attend a lot of meetings. This is something that can be very helpful, or maybe you were unable to attend a meeting. So with that being said, does anybody have any questions on how to summarize a meeting using Chat GPT? Summarizing that meeting was a real cinch with AI. I think I just advanced my skills after watching this video. Reminds me of a great movie I watched called Finch. Makes me wonder if Goodyear is the dog's name, does that mean every year's a good one? Hope you have a good year, but shh, don't tell my gardener.